Hi everybody. Today we're going to do some pronunciation work, and we're going to look specifically at those words that begin with S and a consonant. In English, it's quite common to have more than one consonant sound at the beginning of a one-syllable word or at the beginning of a syllable. And this is especially true with words that begin with S and T. For example, you can have words like grow, try, drink, and please. And each one of those has 1, 2, and possibly 3 syllable sounds at the beginning of the syllable. For Spanish speakers of English, they really need to pay attention to the combination of S and a consonant sound. It can be difficult for Spanish speakers of English because what you do in Spanish is you put a little e in front of it. So the word Spanish has two syllables in English, but in Spanish it's more common to pronounce it with 3. Spanish. Okay? In English you say stupid, 2 syllables. But many Spanish speakers of English try to say estupid, which ends up sounding like stupid. And that's grammatically incorrect because you can't use an adjective in the place of a noun. So, here's what you do to fix it and not create confusion with the sounds. If you think about it, it's easy to extend that S sound. So rather than trying to say S pain, all you need to do is extend the S at the beginning. Spain. Same with Spanish. Instead of Spanish speakers, Spanish speakers. And this is true with S and the combination of the sounds K, L, N, P, T, and W. Again, not necessarily the letters, but definitely the sounds. So we're going to review these sounds individually and look at 5 examples with every possible combination. The first one is S plus K. Score. Scotland. Scream. Screw. Scope. Okay, now repeat the word after I say it. This time we'll do the combination S and L. Slow. Sleep. Slice. Slight. Slack. Okay, so how did that go? Remember that you can always practice this again and repeat the video as many times as you want. The third combination we're going to try is the combination of the sounds S and M. Remember to extend that S. Small. Smile. Smart. Smear. Smudge. All right, how's it going so far? Remember that if you don't know the meanings of any of these words, you can look them up in your English-only dictionary. Fourth pattern we're going to try is the sound S with the sound N. This one's pretty easy because it's almost always the letter N. Snow. Snail. Sneak. Snide. Ooh, that should be number 5. Number 5 sound, S and P. Spot. Special. speak, spark, spit, spot, spear. Oh, number 6. S plus the sound t. Steak, stew, stroke, strict, stride, stray. And number 7, last but not least, is s plus the wa sound. Sweet, sweat, swear, swim, swoon, switch. So remember, if you have S plus a consonant sound, don't try to put a little eh in front of the S. Just extend the S a lot more than you normally would. And that will help reduce the tendency of putting the eh in front. Got it? So, I hope you found that useful. Please feel free to visit the blog anytime you like to find more information or more hints and tips about how to learn English effectively. And if you're interested in language classes for Spanish speakers of English, please visit the website at www.stopspanglish.com.